Hey everyone, welcome to CS 160. Today we're diving into one of the most important and in some ways unusual international boundaries in the world, the nearly 2,000-mile border between the United States and Mexico. This boundary isn't just a line on a map, it's the result of centuries of conflict and at times, bloody battles. Stretching from the northernmost part of Latin America, it's one of the longest borders on Earth. But it's not just a physical divide, it also represents a unique cultural and economic zone known as the borderlands. The people living along this border have developed a deep sense of binationalism and biculturalism, which is shaped by the distinct influence of both nations. In fact, the term fronterizo, or border person, comes from this very region. However, when most people think of the US-Mexico border today, what often comes to mind are issues like drug trade and illegal immigration. But this study, has much more to offer than just those tensions. We're going to take a closer look at the controversies and complexities that define the border, exploring the economy, labor markets, security, immigration, culture, and even the environment. And we'll also take a moment to compare the US-Mexico border with other international borders, many of which have histories of conflict too. For instance, did you know that the Mexican-American War was triggered by a border dispute? That war led to Mexico losing half its territory to the United States, setting much of the border we recognize today. But the real goal of today's conversation is to look beyond the stereotypes. We're here to develop a deeper understanding of this border, its history, and what it truly means in a way that challenges the typical portrayal of it as just a conflict zone.